Exceeded expectations. Kevin is very nice. He called at 6:10 in the morning and said he would pick us up at 7 o'clock. He asked for the room number and there was a wake-up call service, haha. There were 4 passengers in a car. Kevin picked up the other 2 first. As soon as they got on the car, there were 2 Italian guys, and then my friend and I. He arrived at the hotel front desk at 7 o'clock, and he left a message before we even got downstairs. They said we would come back around 7:20, which happened to be the time for us to have breakfast before setting off, which was perfect. It takes about 50 minutes to set off to the desert. Most of the time, we will park at the service area. There is a coffee, supermarket and restroom. At the same time, it seems to be converging with other vehicles. From the road to the desert junction, we will stop for a few minutes, seemingly to let some air out of the tires. The first stop was to see camels, camel emoji. There was a baby camel, so cute, smiley face emoji. These guys are nuts. Except for the fact that Sanu seemed to like Britney Spears a bit too much, we listened to the same 4 songs from Britney, and one Club 7 song, for 4 hours on repeat. The guy needs to improve his musical repertoire. Other than that, the driving was amazing and thrilling. The sand surfing was painful, went down on my front and not used to having that much chest pain in my 40s and associating it with something positive. The camel riding was the only thing that I didn't care for. If you weigh over 200 pounds/100 kilograms, then do everyone a favor, most of all the camels. I recently joined a morning desert safari in Abu Dhabi, and it was truly an unforgettable experience. The company was incredibly professional and made sure everything was smooth from start to finish. The highlight was the desert driving. Our guide was an expert and made the dune bashing exciting yet safe. We also tried sandboarding, which was so much fun and easy to enjoy even for beginners. What made this tour special was the kindness and hospitality of the team. They made us feel comfortable the whole time, took great care of us, fantastic experience with great drivers. I booked for my family, 11 packs, through, and it was a fantastic experience. We had 2 cars, driven by Ozzy and Nidish, who were both incredibly professional, polite, and accommodating. Before arriving at our hotel, the drivers contacted me in advance, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free pickup. Throughout the ride, Ozzy took the time to explain all the activities and provide useful insights, making our journey even more enjoyable. The service